With a new-to-world design, Milwaukee delivers the 165mm leveling tripod pipe stand, providing outstanding portability and lifelong steadiness. With a flat, compact profile, this pipe stand enables easy storage and removal from vehicles and job boxes. A balanced carry handle allows briefcase-style transportation around the site. The flat fold design provides a quick setup, eliminating multiple setup hassles and enabling a simple carry-to-deployment operation. Featuring Stable Lok functionality, users can easily adjust the tension of the deck to maintain steadiness throughout the life of the stand. With a multi-material pipe stand, a larger work surface and optimized tool storage, this stand can serve as a portable work desk while on the job site to meet the needs of electricians, plumbers and mechanical contractors. Equipped with an adjustable leg, users can pitch pipe and other materials 3 degrees in either direction for level alignment. Milwaukee's 165mm leveling tripod pipe stand. Outstanding portability, lifelong steadiness.